Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you again in the session of class 4, subject English speaking. Today our topic is translation and this is our lecture 1. So in this lecture I will tell you about the translation, what is translation, definition of translation, and after it I will translate 15 sentences. And dear students, you have to listen carefully and even you have to learn those particular sentences. Okay, understand those particular sentences so that in future you will be able to speak those sentences in English only. I hope you understood. Now let's proceed. Now let me tell you what is translation. The process of translating words or text from one language into another is called translation. So basically over here I will tell you first Hindi sentences and then translate those sentences into English. So now you came to know the particular sentence या वाक्य आपको हिंदी में पता चलेगा and then you have to translate that sentence, that vakya into English statement or English sentence. I hope you understood. Now let's continue with the particular sentences. So here are few sentences. यहाँ कुछ sentences हैं in Hindi as well as in English. So first one, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. So when we translate this sentence into English, the sentence will be I am agree with you. I repeat, I am agree with you. Now the second one, मैं पता लगा लूँगा. I will find it. I will find it. अभी मैं व्यस्त हूँ. अभी मैं व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. Sometimes you also say I am busy now. Okay? Now the next one, तुम्हें अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए. तुम्हें अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए. So the English sentence for this particular vakya is you should accept your fault, or you can say you should confess your fault. In place of accept, confess भी आ सकता है. Okay? Now next one, तुम चिंतित क्यों हो? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? And in the end, question mark will come. So we have to take care of this also. In the end, question mark will come. Now the next sentence, कैसा लग रहा है? कैसा लग रहा है? And the English sentence for this particular vakya will be, now I will show you. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Or you can say, how do you feel? How do you feel? So you can say any of the two sentences. Now the next one, मुझ पर विश्वास करो. मुझ पर विश्वास करो. Believe me. Believe me. Now the next sentence is वह तुम्हें बुला रहा है. वह तुम्हें बुला रहा है. He is calling you. He is calling you. Now let's continue with the next sentence. So the next sentence is तुम कब फ्री हो जाओगे? तुम कब फ्री हो जाओगे? When will you become free? When will you become free? Or you can say when will you be free? Now next, मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it makes? What difference does it makes? Now the next sentence. वह जल्दी उठता है. He gets up early. He gets up early. वो तुम्हारा साथ देगा ही. वो तुम्हारा साथ देगा ही. He will obviously help you. He will obviously help you. Now next one. आपका घर कितनी दूर है? आपका घर कितनी दूर है? How far is your home? And in the end question mark will come. End में क्या आएगा? Question mark, because it is a question. आप इससे रिलेटेड और भी वाक्य पूछ सकते हैं. आपका स्कूल कितनी दूर है? आपकी दुकान कितनी दूर है? So you have to make like this only. How far is your home? How far is your office? How far is your school? Like this you have to translate. तुम सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? तुम सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you listen? Again question mark will come. So I am telling you where question mark will come, and you have to take care of this also. Okay, so in this way you have to translate the sentences from one language to another, or you can translate one word or text from one language to another. I think now you understood how to translate the sentence, and you have to listen this video carefully and try to translate the sentences accordingly. Dear students, please join the class so that you can improve your speaking skills, and you came to know how your classmates are translating the sentence, and even you can enhance your knowledge regarding it. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a good day.